Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, crappie head family members around the world, what's up? Out here with my boy fishing Ken. He digging the boogers out his eyes.
Man, that grass.
Yeah, that grass blowing everywhere, man. They out here cutting yard. It's a typhoon out here. I'm about to blow away. Say, man, can you get out the truck so I can back it up and put you in the water? He trying to give me a hard time. He trying to give me a hard time already. We ain't even started fishing yet. This joker right here trying to give me a hard time.
I'm about to go to sleep.
Now, yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. What's all that about, man?
I've been sitting here about 25 minutes waiting on you.
Oh, cut it out. Come on, man. Cut it out.
I had to steal one of Cabbage juices and everything.
Stop stealing the baby juices, man. Come on, man. I'm finna put this joker in the water, y'all, so we can see if we can find some crappie, because lately I ain't been able to film because the crappie don't want to act right for me. Filming don't want to act right. Everybody that shoot videos, I want to give y'all props because filming is not easy. It is very hard. And I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers by the name of Cedric. He bought some merch from me, y'all. You see the merch. He bought some merch. We met up in the Metroplex. My man brought me some deer sausage and some wild hog sausage. Big shouts out, Ced. Hey y'all, me and Ken are in the creek. And the only reason we on separate boats is because I don't know if I have to pick up my kids early from school. So didn't want a chance having to rip him from the creek. But we're in the creek to check it out. See if they want to cooperate for us. It's been a lot of reports of good activity going on in the creek, so we're gonna give a go at it. We'll let you know. Let's see if we can sneak up here and catch this one, y'all. Yeah, anything they can stick them to. That spawn on everything. Tree. There you go. I got him that time.
Honey.
Little bitty cricket biscuit. Cricket biscuits. Say, man, I ain't need you to co-sign in that I call a cricket biscuit, okay?
Man. Hey,
yeah.
I'm rooting for you. Don't get it twisted.
Yeah, you like
Pregnant too.
sound like you cracked a joke.
Fast.
Oh, hoot your mama. What?
Think you do.
Oh, you got jokes, huh? Yeah.
And the release.
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
There you go, off the back. Golly, as soon as I dropped it in there.
I'm about to say, bro, I know them males got to be around here somewhere.
There go a little male baby. That's a male baby. That's a little young gigolo. No. Oh no, friend. Let's go take him to the stick. I mean, that jug was full-time thirsty.
He got out there on the back.
That flip-flop Johnny, boy. That's a 10-piece. 10-piece extra crispy. I mean, he might get to you by the end of the day. Try to do me a little calculation over here. Let's see if we can find his girl, his date. No, gotta find his queen. There you go. Ooh, that might be her. That might be. That's a queen. That's a queen. That's a queen, buddy. Oh yeah. All right, I found the queen to the king. A queen to the king. Let me get back in the manageable moments over here. see if we can fill up this little hungry box. As y'all see, I put my little latches back on there. That other video at Tawakni, I was missing the latch. I'm finna be missing the boat if I don't get up here to this trolling motor. This wind don't give you no break. I sure wish I could have been in the boat with Ken, because then I wouldn't have had to do no work. He could have did all of it. I could have sit back there and just been ripping them out, having all the fun with no work. So you know, it's never a problem being the back boat man, you know, sometimes. Woo! God! I'm trying to get set up. No, man, I stop from time to time, but not as much as I need to. Oh, y'all, I need to tie up, but they won't let me. They won't let me, guys. They keep calling me. They keep calling me. I need to put this 12-footer down. Go get a hold of that 8-footer, something more manageable. Oh yeah, man, that's one thing I've always said. The fish. There you go. Get out of there. Get it out of there. Get out of there. Another girl. Another pageant. She got a little bit. Another little pageant queen. Another little old pageant queen, man. We gonna have to go find the biggins. These little nursery school, look, the adolescent love makers ain't gonna work for me, man. They joking too little to be having babies. Where they parents at? Yeah, it's these bad boys not hogs, but they are definitely some entertainment. Yeah, they entertainment. Table fry, as Ken said. It's always fun catching fish, no matter what, you know. I got so much passion for crappie fishing that I've caught a lot of crappie in my life, but that thump just never gets old. I'm like just as excited every time like it's the first time that I catch a crappie, and you know, it's just so much intensity there for me. So I really love fishing and crappie fishing predominantly. Got another hit. I'm gonna blow your doors off. Uh-oh. So you sleeping on the job? Was you sleeping on the job? Oh, he picky packing. Oh, okay. Should have gave him the world. Was you gonna take him to Hookset Village? There you go.
Get on back away from me.
Say, man, hey, you leave him, I take him, bro. You leave him, I take him. I don't. What you got? Oh, okay. I'm gonna show y'all what I tied up. Show y'all this bait that Ken said is the determining factor. Just a second. As a matter of fact, let me go and do it right now. Tied up if I can get this string from around my finger. Oh, sorry about that, bro. If I can get this string from around my finger. I tied up this pink and gray hand tie. I don't know how well y'all can see that. I'm trying to keep out. Then I put a little flake off in the head as well. Seeming to do the job pretty decent today. Man, if this wind wasn't like it is, oh my God. Man, this one, I wish I had some power poles or something. They would really come in handy right now, boy. Oh, I wish I had an Ultrex like that. Oh, Ken up there. Oh, Ken got that Ultrex spot lock. Say, man, let me borrow your Ultrex. Can I borrow it? We'll put this. Put this full tricks on there. Yeah. I'll take it for you. Yeah, if you don't want to use a spot lock, pass it on over here. I'll borrow it and spot it up. I lock it. Lock spot it. I do it backwards and forward. Spot lock it, lock spot it. You know, yeah, I get it all mixed up. Be doing donuts out here on the lake. I'm gonna pop in this last little slot right here, and then I'm gonna push on in the creek some more. Huh? Oh yeah, they still here. I'm gonna drift past all these little openings. See if I can catch me an eagle beaver. One that wants to get some bonus points. Come on out and strike it. If I catch one on this drift, everybody watching this video need to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Push that notification bell and thumbs up, and please leave an awesome comment. That will all, oh, there go Ken up front. There you go. There you go. Got that money. Do he got my jig in his mouth? Is that the one? Oh, okay. Woo! Sorry. Sorry for that. Sorry for the interruption. Is that the same one? Bro. It's bit out? Yeah. Golly, I done caught Ken fish. Ken up there catching fish. Golly, this fish got bit by an alligator, man. I gotta see that, bro. 'Cause I'm almost positive that maybe 15 minutes. No, that one looked even worse. Yeah, that's even worse. That got an alligator snatched out the back of. Let me get closer, man. See, y'all see? What is eating these fish like that? I don't know, man. That's like turtle bites or something. That might maybe alligator claw turning to the other side. Oh man, that's a vicious attack right there. You cut that out and have it fillet. All right, that's some fat meat right there still. All right, let me put this thing up, cause all the meat ain't jacked up. Woo! That's the first time I ever seen something like that, y'all. That's the first time. Let's see if you there's one over there. Need blessing. Oh yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. It needs to be blessed. Yes, girl. These jokers got the bumps and jumps, man. That one got the bumps. Turn them around, let me see. Don't hide that thing. Yeah. Golly, guys. This fish got, this joker got all kind of little, I don't know about this one. I don't know, I might throw this one back. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what, y'all know what all these little knots and dots. Still got goo coming up out of it. Man, have y'all ever seen that, guys? All right, let's see if we can pull a fish out of there that ain't got no flesh-eating bacteria or disease on it. I ain't used to this up at Joe Pool, man. Joe Pool fish usually be pretty. Used to that out of Cedar Creek and Tawakanee, Arlington. Got it? Come on out of there, Ken. It's one of them times you wish you could tie up. A little metal structure provided some great entertainment. I mean, some great action. We got there and Ken caught the first one, identified that they was over there, and then it was bang, bang, bang. You know, so it can be like that. You know, in the springtime, they bunch up and load up all up in the creeks, and they congregate to go do the thing that they're supposed to do that time. This time of year is spawn. So a lot of people like the springtime and the spawn because it's easier to catch them. I like fishing year round. You know, winter and summertime are more favorable to me because, you know, it's more of a challenge and then it's more work. You know, I don't like to easy pickings, even though it's fun. I'm not talking about nobody that likes spawning. So be it, have your fun. I love it too, but summer and winter is my better seasons. I love that time of year much better than just, you know, spawn. You know, so, but we're gonna keep on trucking through this creek and see if we can find them congregated again somewhere else. So let's go on this journey, guys. All right, so I decided to stop back by this little metal structure on the way out of here because I got to get out of here and go to work. Oh, and first drop. It wasn't nothing but ain't nothing but a little bookie biter. But some still there. I didn't believe me and Ken had depleted the area earlier anyway, but we had caused enough ruckus for him to start paying attention and slow down on that bite. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna end it on that little bitty skinny. My boy Fishing Ken out here. I love fishing with this dude right here. Awesome time, awesome time. We always have a good time, you know. No matter how many fish we catch, just being around each other and just spending time fishing on the water together is always great. So, fellowship, like he said. So, guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please consider subscribing. I need you as a part of the Crappie Head family in this life. And so we can grow and blossom and build this crappie channel together. Leave a comment, thumbs up if you like the video. Push the notification bell next to it. I'm your host, D Crappie. And as always, I'll see you on the water next time.